Wow, 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 wow. Hey, this is the future, guys. So I'm here. Today, let's take a look at this laser engraver, Laserpecker. You know, I've been doing a lot of gadgets reviews for years, but few of them make me as excited as this one. In this video, I'm not gonna go through those tutorials like how to use this thing. To be honest, it's quite easy. Just download the app and connect to the Laserpecker and import whatever you want to print and make sure the distance between the surface and the laser head is 20 centimeters. And that's it. What I'm going to share in this video is what materials are the best for this engraver, and some tips might be useful when you are using it. So let's get started from the soft materials to hard materials. The first batch we tested are the cork and felt materials. They have the best result. You don't even have to adjust any parameters in the settings, just use the default one. You will be amazed by how it performs. It basically prints everything from the original photo. Many details remain. Then is the recycled one and the corrugated paper. It's still fantastic. Please notice that it won't work on white paper. Actually, it won't work on any white or light colored surfaces. I will share some tips later on how to make it work on white surfaces. I also tried on clothes. The first time it seems a little bit shallow, and then I engraved 2 more times. It got much better, but the text seems a little bit inconsistent. I do hope they have a choice in the app which enables me to engrave a specific area instead of just going all over again. It does a pretty good job on the dark colored bamboo and wood. For the light colored wood, we'll need to adjust the depth to 85%. The result will be better, not to the white colored surfaces. You have to use a mark pen to paint black and then engrave. You can also engrave multiple times. After finishing, just wipe out the paint. You will get a pretty good print. If you ever wonder, can it engrave on ceramics, metals or glass? The straight answer is no, it won't work on any of those. By the way, I tried the silicone case, it won't work either. To conclude, I just love the Laserpecker engraver. I just had so much fun with this awesome tool. Unlike other bulky laser engraver, this one is ultra compact. You can basically engrave anywhere, anytime. With this tool, you can always personalize a gift and DIY projects with ease. And a good thing about it is it doesn't have any consumables. As for the lifespan of the laser, it's beyond 10,000 hours. That means you engrave 9 hours a day, straight for 3 years. 9 hours a day? What projects are you engraving? Of course, it has its limitations like I mentioned above. If that's something you are worried about, then this product isn't made for you. But like every product has its advantages and disadvantages, I don't think the limitation part of the Laserpecker is a deal breaker, especially considering the price, the usability, and a bunch of other benefits. You will love it. Alright, that's the video. For more about the Laserpecker, you can check out the link in the description, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can click here to subscribe, or click it right here to watch another video. I'm Sammy. See you next time. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding.